But looking at what the Lionesses were able to bring, so sad for them, they never won even a single tie. Played 3, lost 3. And remember, this is a team that we're saying is bound to go to the Olympics, and we want them to star. Will they be able to star, or the results will also be a negative affair altogether? They played 3 matches. Let me tell you the results and what exactly they were able to register. Against Chile, the ladies lost 47 without even a single try. Think about that result. Against Japan, it was a 43-0. So the Queens also did not come to the party. Against Canada, you will think that Kenya were expected to win it, but sad. It went the Canada side for them, clocking an impeccable 17-12 against our ladies. So we hope that this team will be able to do some pickup and still sharpen their arsenal. As they say, they have a task, and the task is simple. They've already qualified for the Olympics, and they ought not to be pushovers, because they simply need to have some positive results during the Olympics. So let's talk about rugby, and this is about Benjamin Ayimba. I know he has been ailing for some few months now, and the family is still asking for members of the public to support